2013 Dodge RT. It's an older model. The thing is still, is it a 6.4? I don't know, let me know in the comments. I'll tell you about the mufflers though, come. Classic Muffy D, what we did is we took off the mid mufflers. They're located right over there. And then we just replaced it with sticks of pipe. Right here and here. We got DJ over here, the Dominican guru, the Dominican Poppy checking for leaks. So the next step, if the customer wants, we bring it down, fire it up, see how aggressive it sounds, and then maybe they'll come back in like a month or something and remove these rear mufflers. Open it up a lot more. But for right now, let's just see how the mid mufflers sound.
Muffy D, baby.
RT pulling up right now. Let's hear how she sounds. 2013, yo, not too bad. Let me know in the comments what you think of what he should do next, what you think of the current system he has, which is a mid muffler, I believe. And make sure to like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at GExhaust. And if you need anything at all, go to geexhaust.com and check out all the links in the description below, yo. All right, peace.